Hey guys, good afternoon. How are you doing? I hope you guys doing good. I am walking now towards this, I don't know, this is tallest thermometer. Total, wala naman kaming load, wala naman kaming drive. Mag-drop by muna saglit kasi titingin ako dito up close. Curious lang ako sa thermometer na ito. Ayan siya oh. 75 degrees. Kasi may nagsabi sa akin na kung makita mo itong thermometer, drop by kayo. Ayun nga, ito nga. Ito yung entrance. Ayan, look at that. So, hindi ko lang alam kung anong height niya. The world's tallest thermometer. Oh, ayan. This is located in Baker, California. Yeah, we came from Las Vegas and then pauwi na kami to California. Nang taas nga naman yan, no? Ito na yung message niya about sa bagay na ito. So, this is built in 1991 and then 134 feet tall. Kala ko totoong itlog. Today, the weather is good. Hindi siya masyadong malamig, hindi masyadong mainit. May mga restaurant, may market, may motel. We will have some lunch here, guys. I think Korean and Japanese restaurant because they have sushi too. Their pictures looks pretty, looks very good. So let's try their food. Hindi ba yung mga pictures ang gaganda? Dito kami pipili ng food. Biggest lollipop here too na nakita ko dito. Udong noodles. May itlog, may ano ba to, fish cake, tapos tempura and noodles. Masarap siya. $10 for these. Not that big, not that small. Tamang-tama lang sa isang tao.